Well, guys, I'm very much looking forward to your discussion tomorrow. It should be very interesting. What we're looking at is Hebrews 3 and 4, and the background is Psalm 95 and the material in Numbers about the people of God disbelieving and testing God. And we want to ask the question as we continue to look at this who, what, why, when, where, what exactly is going on in the church that the writer of Hebrews is confronting. Is it people who are being tempted to go back into Judaism? And what is this rest? How does this idea of rest and if Joshua, you may want to look carefully at that. So we want to look at 3 and 4. As always, look at specifically the parts that are quoting the Old Testament and ask yourself exactly what's going on. Why is the writer addressing this? What is the temptation, and what exactly is facing these people? We should have a great discussion. I'm really looking forward to our time together. Make sure you read the text carefully before you come to class, and I will look forward to talking to you then. All the best.